talk about how can you disable group notifications on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is so you just go down, click here on more down here. When just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just go down here, click here on settings, click on it. When just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications here, then it's going to take you to this list. So just switching to open video here. So it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on group notifications. Then you come here to group notifications. You find all your group. Then you click in this sign or this color. Then like you say, you click here on turn off. Then like you see color is gone. That's the main group notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.